It starts here underground. This is raw ginger root, fibrous, incredibly spicy, and caked in mud. It's unrefined and aggressive. But after a complex industrial journey, it transforms into this premium crystallized ginger candy. Translucent, sweet, and balanced. It takes 72 hours of intense heat, pressure, and precise science to achieve that transformation. The result is a perfect snap on the outside and a chewy, warming center. Today, we're inside this massive facility to follow the entire journey of crystallized ginger, seeing how they balance industrial scale with delicate flavor.
Incorporated. We're outside their state-of-the-art processing facility, where safety and efficiency are paramount.
The process begins at the receiving bay, where tons of raw ginger root arrive daily from partner farms. These trucks unload thousands of pounds of raw ginger directly into the intake hoppers. Forklifts feed the raw ginger roots onto the first conveyor, beginning the most difficult step, cleaning.
Keep an eye on the flow rate, don't want to overwhelm the sorter.
Looks steady now. Quality seems high on this batch.
Ginger's irregular, knobby shape is a nightmare to clean. Dirt gets trapped deep in these crevices. First, a vibrating conveyor shakes off the loose, dry field soil before the water touches it. Next, they enter the blast tunnel. High-pressure water jets hit the raw ginger from every angle to strip away heavy mud. Then, they're submerged in an agitated soak tank. Air bubbles scrub the ginger roots gently but effectively. Emerging from the tank, the ginger roots are now mostly clean, revealing their true golden brown skin. A quick manual pre-sort allows workers to remove any obviously damaged or rotten ginger roots before peeling. The clean roots are elevated to the peeling deck, ready for the most aggressive part of the process.
On the mezzanine level.
They specifically source younger ginger for candy. It has less fiber and a cleaner spice profile than older roots.
The key difference is age. This young root is tender, while the older ginger, as you can see, is much more fibrous and spicy.
The shift manager tells us they process over 20 tons of raw root through this wash station every single day.
We implemented the new water recycling system right here, which improved our efficiency by 20%.
This is the peeling zone. The ginger enters these abrasive drum peelers. Inside, the drums are lined with an abrasive surface. As they spin, friction rubs the skin off without damaging the meat. They emerge completely skinless, bright yellow, and ready for inspection. The removed skins are filtered out on a separate waste conveyor, keeping the main line clean. No machine is perfect. A team of human inspectors manually trims any remaining skin or tough knobs. Their precision ensures only pure ginger moves forward to the slicers. The pristine ginger roots are now conveyed to the high-speed slicing station. This machine slices thousands of roots per hour with incredible consistency. The blades are set to a precise 5 millimeters. Cutting against the grain is crucial to avoid a stringy texture. The result is a uniform cascade of ginger pieces ready for grading. Laser and camera sorters scan every single piece in milliseconds, looking for discoloration or incorrect sizes. Jets of air instantly blast any imperfect ginger slices off the line. Only the perfect slices make it through to the next crucial phase, cooking. Welcome to the cooking hall. This is where the raw ginger slices become candy. The process starts with a massive amount of sugar and water to create a syrup base. Thousands of pounds of prepared ginger slices are loaded into the vats.
Check the temperature on the gauge.
It's holding steady. The flow rate is consistent.
Steam heat is applied, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Technicians monitor temperature profiles precisely. You can't rush this part. The ginger will simmer here for hours. This isn't just cooking, it's science. It's called osmotic dehydration. The natural water inside the ginger cells is drawn out by the surrounding sugar syrup.
The blue dots represent water moving across the cell wall into the surrounding sugar syrup due to osmosis.
Simultaneously, the sugar syrup migrates into the ginger cells, preserving the structure and creating the candy texture. Over time, the opaque raw ginger transforms, becoming translucent and golden as it becomes saturated with sugar. To prevent the ginger from shriveling, they use a multi-stage cook, gradually increasing the sugar concentration of the syrup. By the final stage, the ginger is a beautiful, translucent amber, fully impregnated with sugar. The smell off these vats is incredible. A powerful blast of spicy ginger heat mixed with sweet caramel. Once cooking is complete, the thick syrup is drained away to be recycled for the next batch. The hot, sticky ginger is dumped onto a conveyor, ready for the drying phase. Mechanical spreaders separate the sticky mass into an even layer to ensure uniform drying. The ginger enters a massive, continuous drying tunnel to reduce its moisture content. Inside, a precise combination of heat and airflow slowly evaporates excess water. Getting the moisture level exactly right is critical. Too wet and it molds, too dry and it's rock hard. They emerge perfectly tacky, sticky enough to hold a sugar coating, but stable.
As the ginger emerges from the drying tunnel, the cool air ensures they are perfectly tacky and sticky.
Quality control checks the moisture content constantly, aiming for a specific target of around 14%. Still warm and tacky, the ginger drops directly into a large rotating coating drum. At the same time, coarse cane sugar is continuously added to the drum. This is the sanding phase. The drum rotates, tumbling the ginger and sugar together. The tumbling action ensures every tacky surface of a ginger is coated in sugar crystals. The sugar isn't just for taste. It acts as a barrier, preventing the sticky pieces from clumping together later. They emerge fully coated, looking like the finished product we recognize. A final vibrating table shakes off any excess loose sugar, which is collected and recycled. final visual inspection ensures no clumps or imperfect pieces make it to packaging. Every single piece must pass through a sensitive metal detector to ensure food safety. An automated check weigher instantly rejects any pieces that don't meet the specified size requirements. The ginger now enters the high-speed packaging hall, dominated by vertical bagging machines. A roll of film is rapidly pulled over a forming collar to create a continuous tube for the bags. Measured doses of ginger candy are dropped directly into the forming bag. Heat sealing jaws clamp down instantly, sealing the bag and cutting it free in one motion. This single machine can fill and seal over 60 bags every minute. Workers rapidly pack the finished retail bags into shipping carts. Finally, a robotic arm stacks the cartons onto pallets, ready for global shipping. It's an incredible transformation, from this spicy, dirt-covered root to this sweet, golden gem.
The contrast is clear. We take this raw, fibrous root and turn it into this delicate, sparkling piece of crystallized ginger candy.
The aggressive heat is still there, but now it's a slow, sweet warmth rather than a sharp burn. Thanks for joining us inside the factory. If you enjoyed this spicy transformation, let us know in the comments what we should unearth next.